Today we're playing Dead Rails. I have one random player who's here with me. He's still by. What the hell is he buying? Yeah, bro, bought it. Just give me one call, please. Thank you. Hey, where's my egg actually? Did go to the back. What? Yeah, I think it's still in my sack. Oh, never mind, it's there. I thought I put it in my bag. On, let me weld you. Bro, let me drag. Thank you. Then drop. Think that's a glitch. Which one? Fa! Wait. Fa! Bro. Video.
Huh? Video?
A house! A house! There's a house! Oh, I think that's the doctor, right?
Pumayat ka yata, Jacob.
Ba?
Papasokan mo si Jacob.
Yeah. Ayo! 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 Chill! Chill!
Hindi naman.
He's about to kill me! Okay. Attack! A bandage. A bandage. And another bandage. Eagle. Bandage. And I just dropped another egg. Wow. Gimme. Gimme. Let's go. I'll give one bandage to him.
Kaya meron akong 5 Robux ulit.
Dang.
Meron nag-donate sa akin.
Weld. Let's go. Let me in. Speedy. And we're clearing the blood. Oh, fire desert. Okay. I thought it was the blood desert. But it's the fire one. There's nothing. Okay, so for the wolf. Is there anything? Any like structure? Oh, I thought, bro, you actually jumped.
I thought you thought kanto.
And wandering trader noise. Ayo, I thought that was a burning bandit, and it's nighttime. And perfect. Bye bye. What's this? I don't have enough lights. don't have any lights. It's so dark. Ano yun? Hey, yo, chill. I can't see anything. Far! 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 Hey, wait. Let me heal. No. No, let me out for a minute, okay? Let me heal. Yes, now I can. Oh, and bro, how can I not? Hey, yo. Nope. Wait. Let me heal. Let me heal. I'm half health. Yes, now I can attack. Oh wait, no, that was the fire. 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 And he's dead. Is there no more? That is he dead. Bro, how? I can't. Nope. There's another one. I can't go out. I can't see. And I'm dead.
Yes, I know.
No, I'm not going there. I'm going to the... Oh, yo, chill! I'm almost dead! Let me in! Let me in! Let me in! Let me in or I'm dead! Thank you. Ano yun, Nay?
Pabili nga ng lahat yan, magkano?
Ayan, ay.
Kasi ni Mama.
Na, may service po. Bumili po ulam.
May kukunin kasi ako. Sa iya. Sa iya.
Wala si Mama dito eh.
Natutulog pa yung kaano mo?
Hindi po. Nasa kalayo po.
Aliado. Ito aga-aga mo ma. Hindi ka natutulog ng maigi. Tapos paghapon di kayo natutulog.
Wala po eh.
Ano yan, lutong ulam binibili niya. Ano
Hindi
yan,
po.
be?
Yung ito?
Ha?
Ito po?
Ano ba yan?
Kamyas.
Gulay?
Apo. Kamyas?
Ay, meron. Ano yan, kinakain na lang ganyan?
Nilalagay sa luto para masarap rin.
Sa ulam?
Ganon.
Ano galing? Ano yun, yung gabi? Ano, natuyo? Ano ba yan?
Dito lang tayo namin.
Yung ganyan. Galing.
What does he mean by that?
Parang dilis na maliliit.
Apo.
Yung ano na yan, laman.
Yung ito po?
Laman yung ganyan. Yan. Yung ganyan o dilis. Ito kuya, dilis ba yun?
Ito?
Oo.
Hindi po, kamyas po. Lahat. Ito, kamyas. Sama sila na eh.
Sabi ko magkano lahat. Yan.
Beans. And I'm dead. Wait. Oh. Wait, yo. I just thought I don't have a...
No.
What does he mean by 10 days? No. What do you mean? And where the heck? Oh, we don't have jelly bean. He said 10 days, but what does that mean? Oh. But
Kuya,
why
what I need?
10 dice? Oh, Okay, but why Chennai? Take the eggs, so you get bodyguard. Take the eggs, so you get bodyguards. Yeah, I'm actually dead.
Open!
Ayun, napansin ko lang sa bubong.
Open?
Ano yan?
Ito sa bubong.
Kuya,
Tae?
Itlog!
Itlog.
Yung nag-drive ako kanina na nota ko. Oh, yan.
Ano yan? Easter eggs?
Ano ako eh? Easter ano yun? What?
Saan ka na?
Sa'yo na naman. May nag-sponsor sa ulo ko.
Why is it floating on your hair, bro? Bro, imagine dying and you see a floating egg on your head.
Let's just restart. Let's just restart. Reset. So we can play again. So we can play.
Play game! Play game! So we can play game. What the heck is game?
hello! I love you!
Uy!
Bakit?
Ano?
Ano yan?
May town. Town.
Kaso marami ding ano yan. Marami ding mga zombie. Tapos siya pala hindi niya nakikita na ang baba ng render distance niya.
Raid the town. There might be Band-Aid. Peace.
There. Ah!
Yeah.
Don't call!
I think bro just left. Yeah. That means I'm starting with myself.
Ano yan? Namatay ka?
Then nag-leave siya. Patay na ako eh.
Pero siya, basta.
Nagbabike siya.
Hmm.
Nagbabike.
Basta. Ha?
Ano pa ako?
Ano?
Video ko nga, hindi ko. Ano? Maya. Yeah, just
May
rest.
pumunta kami mami.
Kaya gusto niya. Tubig.
Ano mami? Siyan. Siyan.
Hmm.
Ano lang ako pwede.
Alright, ano? Oh, you've been kicked by this. Bruh. Get out. Why did I get kicked out?
Sintra.
This is going to be the end of the game. Bye-bye.